I can't be the only one seeing these videos all over the internet, and so I've made it my mission to grow Sound Guy and Gym Junkie to over 1K monthly recurring revenue. I'm going to show you new features, I'm going to show you bugs, I'm going to show you the ups and the downs, and we're going to get this ball rolling. We currently have 2 products, 0 users, so this journey is going to be from the bottom, but we will take it to the top. This week, we got a couple things that we got to get done. All right, so Sound Guy, I already used PostHog to implement Sound Guy to implement analytics, but I'm sort of in a dilemma with Sound Guy and Gym Junkies because I feel like Gym Junkies is in a super saturated market, which is fitness trackers, things like that. And then Sound Guy is in a super specific markers because we're targeting independent artists who record themselves solo. So these are like 2 opposite ends of the spectrum, and I'm trying to get them a little closer to each other. With Sound Guy by creating a multi-DAW use case for it where this is compatible with other applications, not just Logic Pro. And for Gym Junkies, it's sort of how do we make ourselves stand out and make Gym Junkies a name that sets itself apart from other fitness trackers. Still haven't gotten down to the bottom of it, but I do have minor adjustments that I want to make in the meantime. So we're still focusing on the trainer portal where trainers can assign workouts, but I also want to make it a little bit of a social aspect where those trainers can post their workouts on the app and they can get upvoted, find a way to build a ranking or a leaderboard for top workouts in the last 24 hours and things like that. I think it'd be really interesting to see how that plays out. And a couple smaller things too, like storing times for exercises, being able to set a timer for plank, and then once you stop it, that is considered the rep. So that would be great. Then I have to update the privacy policy now that we have the new URL. And then I also want to be able to export completed workouts so users can post them on their story, whether it's for a single workout or maybe for the whole month, saying I completed X amount out of X. I think that would be a great way to pat yourself on the back. So I think those are minor adjustments for the most part, but it's a lot of those small things that really add up. So that's what I'm going to start getting into today. Let's see how it goes. We had a slight bug where when you would send a referral link to a user, it wouldn't actually open the app, and this had to do with the entitlement. So after fixing that, I created a fresh account where I didn't already have a referral code because we don't allow users to overwrite. Once it's set in stone. And now I see that I've been able to use a test user to actually implement this referral link and successfully display the referral code. Alright, so the current functionality for new templates is to open the new templates card and then add your exercise, click the exercise, and then add a new exercise and repeat this process until your template is completed. However, I want to make a change to enhance the user experience by pressing add once, selecting all of your exercises, and then pressing done. This would save time, just overall make things smooth, would just make things flow smoother. Alright, so the new template functionality is a user would click new template, then we have the same add button, but now we get a list and we can select each exercise until we have all the exercises that we want added, and then at the bottom it would say add 6 exercises to the template versus going one by one, add, select. This will save the user so much time, and it was a bug that I was running into myself. So I'm glad that this has been added and the feature has been updated. We made some great progress today, but now my brain's beat, so we're about to go hit the gym.
Hey, it's 6 a.m. Put this on when you get ready. Yeah, when the weight you carrying heavy and you hold it all together as they step on your confetti. Yeah. And these bottles I popped and these shorties' intentions deadly. Never been the type to care past future.
What is up? We had a great workout. By the end of the day, with a little protein shake, You know, the only way to solidify those gains. I've actually been thinking about adding creatine to my intake so we could get those super gains, you know. Let me know if anybody in the comments uses creatine and what their recommendations are. Like, have you guys seen improvements with creatine? Because I have been doing research on it and I've heard good things about it, so that's the only reason why I'm kind of steering that way. Let me know what you think. Right now we're just putting some vanilla protein powder. I got powdered peanut butter and then some chia seeds, because I am trying to get like a little bit more mass, but I'm not trying to like necessarily bulk at the same time. It's like a 30-70, maybe 25-75 sort of ratio I'm going for. But we got a lot done today. I loved it. We're gonna keep pushing. Keep an eye out for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, my boys. We need that. We're growing. We're growing. Hey, you heard it here first. We are doing big things. Let's do it. Cheers.
Tryna hustle now and I can't really wait. I can't. Pardon the rush, but that's the go talking, striving to be great. Keep it moving.